Salman is like a little child on the set. He was mischievous. He was, but then there was Suraj Barjatia because he had worked with him in his first on Maine Pyar Kiya. So he was there too. He was like his dad out there. You know that Salman bhai, now masti mat karo, now come on, you have to give the shot now. Don't do this or don't do that. He used to be badgering him all the time. But he's always been like that. You know, I've done Sajan also with Salman, and he's always been up to something, some pranks or something or the other on the sets.
Is the funniest person in this world, and for some reason we look at each other and we want to laugh. He makes me happy. There's something about him that makes me blush.
और इस उम्र भी आपकी आवाज बड़ी
This is my Lloyd. Okay.
That happens once in a while with me. Once I start laughing, then I can't stop.
बदन छू के देखिए.
उम्र क्या बताई?
Sanjay, I'm just going to go out and come back in 2 minutes.
I just won't stop laughing.
All the time on sets, I'm always the bakra. Or
you're the bakra?
Yeah, or my leg. I mean, I'm like, he's joking about me, teasing me, whatever. And I'll be that victim that he has to pick on all the time.
Has he ever done anything on set or something that took you by surprise?
No, he actually challenged me to eat a bug.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
What do you mean to eat a bug?
Some bug that was in a jungle in Bangkok. We were shooting there for our film. And they said the shot was ready, so I was coming out, and he had this bucket of bugs that the crew had collected. And in Bangkok, they eat these, creatures. So he had it in his hand, and he put it in, and it's like, have it. Now, you know me, I'm not going to shy away from challenges. And it's just a mental thing now. If you can have fish and chicken and... Cooked, yes. Or
Fish
sometimes people have
cooked.
sushi as well. But
so what did you do? You picked up the bug.
Yeah, you know what? He actually thought that I would be yelling and screaming and literally throwing a heroine tantrum and running off set, freaked out. But I didn't. So I calmly said, "Acha, okay," and I walked on set. So actually, his plan kind of didn't get the reaction he expected.
And what did Salman say?
Nothing. He was speechless. He really didn't expect that. So he didn't know what to react, how to react.
He must have been in awe.
Yeah, I think he thought I was the bug.
Every time I think of you, you make me smile. Baby, I'll be your every dream, and you should know. Baby, I never ever wanna let you go. जिंदगी की नींदों की सुबह इश्क है. बड़ी खूबसूरत सी सजा इश्क है, हमको प्यार हुआ है.
Probably one of the most good-looking people that we have in industry, and he's really cool and chilled out about his work and the way he comes and shoots. It's amazing to work with a person like that, who kind of comes and changes the entire mood of the scene.